In this video, I want to introduce you to a wonderful strategy with high win rate. And I am very excited to introduce this strategy to you. So let's start this video. The first indicator that I want to introduce to you is the swing ARM indicator. And when you added this indicator to your chart, enter the setting like mine. This indicator will only show you the direction of the trend and whether the trend is profitable or bearish. To find the entry point, we will add the second indicator to the chart. And before I added this indicator to the chart, for more videos, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's add this indicator to the chart. The name of this indicator is signal table. And the name of these two lines shown to you are moving average lines, and based off the breaking of these lines, we open a trade in the direction of the market. So that the lines are clear to you, I will change the color of these two lines. And in the order for this strategy to have a high win rate, we use the swing ARM indicator and combine these two indicators together. And the next point is that, like the previous indicator, you must enter the setting of this indicator like I did. And the most important is to set the limit of profit and limit of loss. We can go to the second indicator that I introduced to you and determine the limit of profit and limit of loss for yourself based on Fibonacci and RSI lines. I got a lot of profit from it, so be sure to watch this video.